Welcome to my channel. What's Gary doing? Today Gary is going to be doing extreme game cleaning, polishing. I got this disc here for the PlayStation. We put it in, we'll let it load in the background. So here we are, we're loading. Alright, game's starting to load. I bought a lot of 550 games for $100 on eBay. PlayStation games, Finding Dory, look at that. Finding Dory? That's a movie, that's ours. SmackDown, NASCAR, we got Xbox games, we got 360 games, we got more PlayStation games. Hey look, Rock Band, oh, what is that? More Rock Band. And we got whatever, just 15 games for $100 on eBay. But we do have a problem that most of the time when you put in a game, it never loads or it won't turn on. So this is the game we got, and we're going to end up extreme polishing it. See all those wicked scratches in there? We're going to take some non-conventional polishing equipment and see if we can polish the scratches out of the disc. So let's head on out to the garage and polish some discs. Alright, here we are in the garage. We have an old CD spindle, a couple of old DVDs, CDs, just so that we can meet the lip here. Here's our really scratched CD, Madden 6. I put that on top, and this is what I mean by unconventional. We have some 3M Perfect It rubbing compound. This is meant for automotive use. Polishing your car, polishing your lights. Why not games? So I borrowed a polishing tool, some pads. Put the nice softest pad I could put on there. We're going to put some polishing compound on the disc. Probably make a little mess, but let's see what happens. Ooh, a little runny. Maybe I'll shake it. Nope, that's just runny. Okay. Alright, a couple drops on there. Rubber pad into it a little bit. Alright, let's see what we can do. Ooh. Well, let's see what it looks like. Still got some hard scratches in there. I think we'll try this one more time. Although I think I'm pretty happy. So far, so good. People that's using in between. That might have been just too soft. There's some oil on my rag or some oil on the pad. I don't think it'll matter. Well, hey. Alright, I'm going to pause for the moment. I'm going to get some Windex and some paper towel. We'll let the air compressor fill for a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, so pop off the disc. Rub the excess across it. Give it a spritz. Probably not the best way to dry your disc, but whatever, it doesn't work anyways. Well, it does still have some scratches in it, different scratches. It's got a couple deep ones in it, but let's go see if it fires up now. Alright, so put our Madden 6 in the PlayStation, reboot it, and let's see what pops up on the screen this time around. Curious to see if this is a better way or one way of getting the job done. Find out shortly here. Look at that. Insufficient room. I'm fine with that, but at least you got past the loading screen. So, give me a thumbs up if you think this project is extreme version of CD cleaning, or give me a thumbs down if you think I went at this way too hardcore. Comment below, like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching What's Gary Doing.